bunch of baby ducks just hanging out, waiting to be eaten by the alligators. And there's another kind of strange bird there making sounds. Probably have a nest nearby. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Wow, beautiful day. It's just a lovely day today. No big fish. Yesterday we see some really big fish in there. Today some baby fish. Maybe we have duck for dinner. Huh? Quack, 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 quack. He's not too scared of people.
He doesn't afraid of you.
No, he's not afraid of me. Welcome to the club. Just not high enough to dive and cause any action. Oh, lift off! That duck is taking lift off. They're terrible flyers. They can hardly get up in the air.
Very fat.
Right, fat and heavy and not enough wingspan. I think this horny duck. These look horny to me. Yes, egg here. Gone. Somebody eat egg. Yes, egg gone. From yesterday. It's not hatch. Something eat it.
Yeah.
Yes. Just like the rest of the eggs. They don't start with one, they start with a bunch. Right. There's Svetlana lining up a shot with the quack breath.